lively learners.
Hello, little math wizards. Today, we're going on a magical math adventure. We'll learn how to add,
subtract,
and multiply.
Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with addition. Addition is when we put things together. Let's try some examples. Example 1. I have 2 apples, and I add 3 more. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Example 2. There are 4 birds sitting on a tree. One more bird joins them. How many birds now? Let's see. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Example 3. Here are 6 balls. If I add 2 more, how many do we have? Let's count. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Example 4. I have 5 crayons. My friend gives me 4 more. Adding them all, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9.
Now, let's learn subtraction. Subtraction is when we take something away. Here are some examples. Example 1. I have 5 candies. I eat 2. How many are left? Let's count. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Example 2. There are 7 flowers. 3 flowers fall down. How many are still standing? 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Example 3. I had 9 chocolates, but I gave 4 to my friends. Let's subtract. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Example 4. I see 6 stars in the sky, but 1 star disappears behind the clouds. How many stars are left? 6 minus 1 is equal to 5.
Let's move on to multiplication. Multiplication is like adding the same number again and again. Let's see some examples. Example 1. I have 2 plates, and each plate has 3 cookies. Let's multiply. 2 times 3 equals 6 cookies. Example 2. There are 4 rows of chairs, and each row has 2 chairs. How many chairs in total? Let's multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. Example 3. I see 3 trees, and each tree has 5 apples. How many apples are there? Let's multiply. 3 times 5 equals 15. Example 4. I have 2 baskets, and each basket has 4 bananas. Let's multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8 bananas.
Let's do addition practice. What is 3 plus 4? Yes, what is it's 7. What is 5 plus 6? That's right, it's 11. What is 2 plus 8? Amazing, it's 10. What is 7 plus 3? Correct, it's 10.
Let's move on to subtraction practice. What is 9 minus 6? Great! It's 3. What is 8 minus 4? Yes, it's 4. What is 10 minus 7? Fantastic! It's 3. What is 6 minus 2? That's right! It's 4.
Let's do multiplication practice. What is 2 times 3? Fantastic! It's 6. What is 4 times 2? Awesome! It's 8. What is 3 times 5? You're right, it's 15. What is 2 times 4? Great work! It's 8.
Thanks for watching, friends. If you had fun learning with us today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
Share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more fun learning videos.
We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.